creating icicles for dioramas. And if you're wondering how this is done or what we use, well, it's plastic cutlery. The clear, transparent kind. Gotta make sure it's clear, transparent. In other words, it won't really look like icicles. But you break off the teeth from a fork. I put one end of that broken off fork tooth, in this helping hand, which is a little metal clip on the left. I grab the other end with a pair of pliers, and in the middle, that's right, I use a lighter to heat it up. Now, the flame isn't directly hitting the tooth. If it were, it would blacken it. You don't want that. But once it gets hot enough, you'll know because you're slightly pulling with the pliers and you can feel it give. And this is what you do. You just, when it gets hot enough, it'll start getting soft and you pull it as much as you can. And it gets really thin in the middle. It gets fishing line thin. You're not going to use that middle part. You're actually going to cut that off. You're going to use either end. The two ends you've created here are your icicles. And it's pretty much that simple. And then when I'm done, I just get hot glue and apply it to the top of the icicle and adhere it to any overhangs on your diorama, or heck, from any figures if you want to customize your figures, from the accessories, weapons. Gives it a nice frosted, frozen over look. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this video and want to see more like it.